Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina. If you're new around here, I normally post videos of trips and vacations I take with my family just for fun, for us to keep and remember and share little tips along the way. But today I'm going to do something completely out of the norm because I was so excited to receive this gift for Christmas, and it's what I'll be unboxing today. It is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. If you're interested in what's in the box, then keep on watching. Okay, so here it is in the box. I've already worn it 1 or 2 times, but I just thought it would be nice to just rewrap it and pack it up the way that it arrived. So quick backstory on the bag. It's actually the reverse monogram with the original brown tone and then that like mustardy color reverse print. So my husband, I guess he was looking for it online and it was out of stock, so he called their customer service line and they found a store in Manhattan that had it. And he called, and the associate, I guess they texted back and forth, and he just wanted to make sure that it was the bag that we were looking for. And I was completely surprised because from what I knew, it was sold out everywhere, and I never thought of calling individual stores. So I guess that's how he ended up finding it and did the transaction completely over the phone. So I want to show it to you guys in a way that I would want to see it if I was in the market for it. I don't have a huge collection of bags, but what I do have, I try to get stuff that hold their value, that I can maybe one day pass on to my daughters. And yeah, so it comes in the box inside, and this is exactly how I unwrapped it on Christmas. Okay, I just kind of redid the whole thing for the purpose of the video. I'm gonna try to hold it higher. So it's in this bag. Inside are the, I guess, the little paperwork that comes with it when you buy a bag. He had like a short note for me. I guess that's why I have that extra envelope. It's that right there. The receipt from the store, since it was technically a store purchase. They just process it over the phone and they send you your receipt. Okay, so here it goes. It's so pretty. If you want to see my reaction, I have the video on my channel. I'm new at this, okay, so if I don't know how to link stuff and all that, I'm sorry. But so this is the bag. It has a zipper in the back. The little gold lock. When I first opened it, I didn't know how this actually opened. I was like pulling on it. I was trying to press them in, but you have to push it towards the, like, inwards. It's this one. See, it's the only one actually unlocks. The other one's just there, but so there you have it. And then it snaps right back in. Inside is the strap. It is that I don't know why I keep calling it mustard color, because it's darker than that. It's like more like a brown, but not like a chocolate brown, with the gold hardware. Of course, I prefer wearing it with the strap because I really wanted something that I can wear on my shoulder or crossbody, and you could definitely use this as a crossbody bag. So inside there's 2 pockets. The color inside is black and it's that like suede material. There is no zipper pockets inside. It's just 2 compartments, and then you have this one right here. I like that this is a dark handle, even though I know that that natural leather with time it ages and it changes color, because I have some really I guess you can call them vintage bags that I bought like a long time ago, and the straps have started to get like that dark color, which is really nice. But this one is guaranteed, I guess, this color forever, because it's that I forgot what they call it. And I really like the color inside, how it's like completely opposite. I was just so shocked that he found this particular one, because I thought maybe we had a better chance of getting the classic one. But the fact that he got the reverse, I was so shocked when I opened it on Christmas morning. The size, I'm gonna read the size off the specs on my phone. So I'm gonna give you guys the details that are on the website, as far as like the size and stuff. So it's 9.7 inches by 7.9. So this is the length and this is the height. And to me, it's a perfect size, because I don't carry much. I carry, if you wanted to carry a big wallet, you can, but I carry a small one and my phone, and pretty much that's it. Sometimes I'll have like a compact or a lip gloss, but I don't carry much. But I think it's like a perfectly sized, like, everyday bag. It has gold color hardware. You could of course remove the strap, and the official name for it is called, so like if you're calling stores and looking for it, it is the Monogram Reverse Canvas Pochette Metis. And I might have pronounced that wrong, but you get the idea. So anyways, here it is. It's so pretty. I still can't get over it. If you like these types of videos, let me know. And I don't know, I don't always get new bags, but I do like shopping. So if you like hauls and that sort of thing, let me know, or make your suggestions in the comment section. And I hope it was informational. If you're looking for the same bag and you want a little bit more details or close-ups of it, I will try to do some pictures and insert them into the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.